Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How you guys doing? I hope all of you are doing really well. So you must have heard the benefits of vitamin E oil and why it's good for our skin. So I thought, why don't we do like a facial massage or something with vitamin E oil? So let's start then. What are we waiting for? So the vitamin E oil that I'll be using is this. This is the capsule and this is what it looks like. So you can get it anywhere in any medical shops, and you can eat this. If you don't want to eat, it's fine. You can apply it on your face. So I'll be using one capsule. So this is what it looks like. And you can just use a scissor to cut it off, or a pin. What I do is I just use my earring like this part, and I'm just going to pierce my hole. So I'm just going to take this oil and massage it on my face now. So you can do it every night before you go to sleep. Just apply and go upwards like this direction. This is really good for anti-aging. So I'm just going upwards like this. Concentrate on your nose also. And be very gentle near your eyes, because this is a very sensitive area, so just gently massage it here. And then you can go circular motions. So take your fingers like this and just, it's very relaxing also, and it's really good for like blood circulation. And now your neck, I'm just going to take a little bit of vitamin E oil. So now your neck, again upward motion. And then you do this. This is also good to reduce like your double chin. So you do this. So guys, I've applied my vitamin E oil and done a little massage also. It's really soothing also. It's very good for your skin. And as I told you, it's good for blood circulation. So your skin will look healthier and will look really good, and very good for anti-aging. And also, if you have like sunburn, you can apply vitamin E oil. So if you have like dry skin, you can let it stay overnight. But if you have oily skin, just let it stay for 15 minutes and you rinse it off, wash it off. So if you have any more questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. And also, I'm on Instagram. Go follow me there. It's called Leena Gowda Official. And if you want to ask anything, or if you have any video requests, please ask me in the comment section below. And subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.